Long, luscious eyelashes have become a coveted beauty standard. Many people desire the captivating allure of thick, dark lashes. While mascara and false lashes offer temporary solutions, eyelash extensions and transplants provide more lasting results. However, it's crucial to understand the potential risks and side effects associated with these procedures. This essay delves into the hidden dangers of eyelash enhancements, empowering you to make informed decisions about your beauty routine. Many people are unaware of the potential drawbacks of these seemingly simple enhancements. Itching, infections, and even hair loss are possible side effects. By understanding the risks, you can take necessary precautions and explore safer alternatives. This essay aims to provide a comprehensive overview of the side effects associated with eyelash extensions and transplants. We will explore common concerns, delve into specific conditions, and discuss the long-term implications of these procedures. Eyelash extensions have gained immense popularity in recent years. They offer a semi-permanent solution for longer, fuller lashes without the need for daily mascara application. The procedure involves attaching individual synthetic lashes to your natural lashes using a specialized adhesive. While this may seem relatively harmless, there are potential pitfalls to consider. The allure of eyelash extensions lies in their ability to transform one's appearance. They can make the eyes appear larger, brighter, and more youthful. However, the convenience and aesthetic appeal of extensions often overshadow the potential risks involved. One primary concern is the adhesive used to attach the extensions. These adhesives often contain formaldehyde, a known irritant and allergen. Exposure to formaldehyde can lead to a range of adverse reactions, from mild itching and redness to more severe conditions like allergic conjunctivitis. Furthermore, the weight and tension of the extensions can put stress on your natural lashes, leading to breakage and damage. Over time, this can result in thinner-looking lashes, defeating the purpose of the enhancement. Understanding these potential pitfalls is crucial before opting for eyelash extensions. While eyelash extensions can enhance your appearance, it's essential to be aware of the common side effects they can cause. One of the most frequently reported issues is itching. The adhesive used to apply the extensions can irritate the delicate skin around the eyes, leading to discomfort and a persistent urge to rub or scratch. Another common side effect is the sensation of heavy eyelids. The added weight of the extensions can make your eyelids feel droopy and tired, especially if you naturally have thin or sparse lashes. This sensation can be particularly bothersome for those who wear contact lenses or spend long hours staring at screens. Redness and irritation are also frequent complaints among eyelash extension wearers. The adhesive, as well as the constant contact between the extensions and your natural lashes, can irritate the conjunctiva, the thin membrane that lines the inside of your eyelids and covers the white part of your eye. If you experience any of these side effects, it's crucial to consult with a qualified ophthalmologist or dermatologist. They can help determine the cause of your discomfort and recommend appropriate treatment options. Beyond common side effects, eyelash extensions carry the risk of allergic reactions and infections. The adhesive used to bond the extensions to your natural lashes can trigger allergic responses in some individuals. These reactions can range from mild itching and redness to more severe symptoms like swelling, blistering, and even difficulty breathing in extreme cases. Infections are another potential hazard associated with eyelash extensions. The application process, if not performed hygienically, can introduce bacteria into the hair follicles, leading to infections such as blepharitis. Blepharitis is an inflammation of the eyelids that can cause redness, swelling, itching, and crusting. To minimize the risk of allergic reactions and infections, it's crucial to choose a reputable lash technician who prioritizes hygiene and uses high-quality hypoallergenic products. Before your first appointment, consider requesting a patch test to check for any adverse reactions to the adhesive. Section 5. Specific conditions, keratoconjunctivitis, traction alopecia, and more. In some cases, eyelash extensions can exacerbate existing eye conditions or lead to more serious complications. Keratoconjunctivitis, an inflammation of the cornea, the clear front part of the eye, and the conjunctiva, can be triggered or worsened by eyelash extensions. Another condition to be aware of is traction alopecia, a type of hair loss caused by prolonged pulling or tension on the hair shaft. The weight and constant pulling of eyelash extensions can damage the hair follicles, leading to permanent lash loss in severe cases. Other potential complications include conjunctival erosion, subconjunctival hemorrhage, bleeding under the conjunctiva, and styes, which are infected eyelash follicles. It's essential to be vigilant and seek immediate medical attention if you experience any unusual symptoms or discomfort after getting eyelash extensions. Section 6. Eyelash Transplantation, a more permanent solution. For those seeking a more permanent solution to sparse or thinning eyelashes, eyelash transplantation offers an alternative to extensions. This surgical procedure involves transplanting hair follicles from one part of the body, typically the scalp, to the eyelids. While eyelash transplantation can provide long-lasting results, it's essential to understand the procedure and its potential side effects. During the procedure, a surgeon carefully harvests hair follicles from the donor area, typically the back of the scalp. These follicles are then meticulously implanted into the eyelids, mimicking the natural growth pattern of eyelashes. The transplanted hairs will go through a natural growth cycle, shedding and regrowing just like your natural lashes. While eyelash transplantation is generally safe, as with any surgical procedure, there are inherent risks and potential complications. Understanding these risks is crucial before deciding if this procedure is right for you. Section 7. Side effects and long-term maintenance of eyelash transplants. As with any surgical procedure, eyelash transplantation comes with potential side effects. Common side effects include swelling, bruising, redness, and tenderness around the eyelids. These side effects are typically temporary and subside within a few days to a week. Infection is a potential risk with any surgical procedure, including eyelash transplantation. It's crucial to choose a qualified and experienced surgeon who follows strict sterile techniques to minimize the risk of infection. Long-term maintenance is another factor to consider with eyelash transplants. The transplanted hairs will continue to grow, requiring regular trimming and grooming. In some cases, the transplanted hairs may grow in different directions, requiring additional treatments like electrolysis or laser hair removal to correct. It's essential to have realistic expectations about the results of eyelash transplantation. While the procedure can significantly enhance the appearance of your eyelashes, it's important to remember that not all transplanted hairs will survive. Section 8. Weighing the pros and cons extensions versus transplants. When deciding between eyelash extensions and transplants, it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons of each option carefully. Eyelash extensions offer a less invasive and more affordable solution for enhancing your lashes, but they come with the risk of allergic reactions, infections, and potential damage to your natural lashes. Eyelash transplantation, on the other hand, provides a more permanent solution, but involves a surgical procedure with its inherent risks and recovery time. It's also a more expensive option, and the results may not be immediately apparent. The best choice for you will depend on your individual needs, preferences, and risk tolerance. Factors to consider include your budget, the severity of your lash concerns, your willingness to undergo a surgical procedure, and your tolerance for potential side effects. It's essential to have a thorough consultation with a qualified and experienced professional, such as an ophthalmologist, dermatologist, or licensed esthetician, to discuss your options and determine the best course of action for your individual needs. Section 9. Conclusion. Making informed decisions for eyelash enhancement. In conclusion, while the quest for longer, thicker eyelashes is understandable, it's crucial to prioritize the health and well-being of your eyes and skin. Eyelash extensions and transplants can provide dramatic enhancements, but they also come with potential risks and side effects. By understanding the potential dangers, recognizing the signs of complications, and seeking professional guidance, you can make informed decisions about your eyelash enhancement journey. Remember that true beauty lies not just in our appearance, but also in our commitment to making responsible and informed choices that prioritize our health and well-being.